Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add a purge line in PrusaSlicer. So first what we are going to do is we will change the modes. So in the top right corner, if you are in the beginner mode, change to expert mode. Alright, now click on the printer settings and look at the left side bar menu and click custom G code. So if you don't see it right here, we can go here to the printers tab and it will be right over here, custom G code. All right. Now locate the large text box at the top labeled start G code. So this is this one here. Now what we are going to do is scroll down to the very bottom of any text already inside the start G code box and press enter to make a new blank line and paste. We will paste this standard reliable purge line right here. So I will put this line into the description. So I will just organize it a little bit if I'm allowed here with this. So let me try it like that. Then we have one here. So as I mentioned, I will leave this in the description down below that you can just copy and paste it in easily, and you will not have any issues with that. Now that we have this, what we can do, let me just put it correctly like so. Now what we can do is simply just save. So we will click here on this floppy disk at the top left corner. You will see now save preset, rename here. Usually type in what you have changed that you will know what you have changed to better control, and history if you want something to get back in original state. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next